Power Nation? We're coming at you with the Conehead Fountain. This is the container it comes in, the packaging. Planet X fireworks. There it is, Conehead Fountain times 2. And you see, there is a red one and a blue one. See the major difference we see? You see Planet X, Conehead Fountain. There's a blue one, Conehead Fountain. I don't see any visible difference besides the color, but I guess we'll see if it has red color, blue color, who knows. But anyways, safe and sane action, the Coneheads. I do love the face looks on these. He's pretty funny right there. There you go. Conehead Fountain, Planet X fireworks. Safe and sane action for you today. Let's go. You guys voting for angry or crazy? Which one do you think? Let's go find out.
Fountain red.
Conehead red. Nice little chrysanthemums. Nice. Okay. Conehead blue coming up.
Cone Fountain blue.
Not too bad for a little cone fountain.